Joerrs bird that is nested on the couch
Again.
again.
The last person who went and poked him did not survive, so we are bringing another test subject into the nest.
Peyton, run out of the nest before he eats you. Before he eats you. Stop touching him or he's gonna eat you. He's gonna gobble you up and just...
This time our test subject has survived.
She survived. Did you know, Cassidy, that it is illegal to kill a Joerrs bird? You can actually be punished by death. First degree, well, no, third degree murder.
Great. I was planning on doing it.
Let's get a little closer, shall we?
Okay.
Put his glasses on.
Oh.
Totally fine. We are observing the rare Joerrs bird.
And we are
Joerrs
up.
bird.
Okay.
Not Joey bird.
And
I
we
named
are.
it. I discovered it. I'm naming it.
And now we are up close in the real scene.
I'm watching him in his nest right now.
Hopefully we don't not get eaten and gobbled up.
Hopefully he doesn't be like home. Now, my fellow reporter,
Yes.
Cassidy, is going to walk up and she's going to poke him in his large, bulbous head. That's a compliment, by the way. Hey, look. Oh my gosh. I'm so lucky he didn't peck her head off.
What?
For what? Excuse me, Joerrs bird?